The car diagnostic process involves a systematic series of steps aimed at identifying, analyzing, and resolving issues or malfunctions in a vehicle. Here's a comprehensive breakdown. 1. Initial customer interaction. Mechanics or technicians listen attentively to the customer's description of the issue, asking clarifying questions to gather as much detail as possible. 2. Information gathering and documentation. Thoroughly understanding and documenting symptoms provided by the customer to form an initial assessment. Accurate documentation of reported issues, including specifics such as when the problem occurs, under what conditions, and any associated sounds or sensations. 3. Visual inspection and preliminary checks. A systematic visual inspection of the vehicle to look for obvious signs of damage, leaks, wear and tear, loose connections, or other visible issues. Basic checks on fluid levels, belts, hoses, batteries, and other easily accessible components to identify any apparent problems. 4. Diagnostic tests and procedures. Employing specialized diagnostic tools such as OBD-II scanners to access the vehicle's onboard computer systems for error codes and data. Conducting various tests, electrical, mechanical, pressure, etc. to diagnose specific components or systems that might be faulty. 5. Collected data and test results. 7. Communication with customer. Explaining the diagnosis and proposed solutions to the customer clearly and understandably. Providing cost estimates for repairs and seeking customer approval before proceeding with any work. 8. Repair and resolution. Carrying out necessary repairs or maintenance based on the diagnosis and customer approval. Verifying that the issue has been resolved by conducting post-repair checks and tests. 9. Customer follow-up. Following up with the customer to ensure that the problem has been resolved to their satisfaction and addressing any additional concerns. 10. Documentation and record keeping. Maintaining detailed records of the diagnostic process, repairs performed, parts replaced, and any additional recommendations for future maintenance. By following a structured car diagnostic process, you can efficiently and accurately identify vehicle issues, communicate effectively with customers, perform necessary repairs, and ensure customer satisfaction while maintaining proper documentation for future reference.